It's about tax on interest. So whenever you earn interest, you are earning money, so that means the government will take a slice of that. So if you have a part-time job or a job, you pay tax on your work that you do, and if you earn money from an investment, you pay tax on that too, because it's earning money. And when they work out how much tax to take away from you on your investment, they look to see what your total income is, and they compare it to this table here to identify where you fit in. So if you're earning between $80,000 and $180,000, then you'll pay 37% interest on your investment. No, not 37% interest, you'll pay 37% tax on your investment. If you're earning over $180,000, you'll pay 45% interest tax. So I've got an example here with someone called Betty, and Betty earns $70,000 per annum, and she receives $1,400 interest on some sort of investment she's got. So you look at the table, and she will have to pay 32.5% interest. So her marginal tax rate is 32.5%. How much tax does she need to pay? We look at her rate and how much interest she's earned, and we multiply them together. So that makes 0.325 times 1,400. Okay, could you do that on your calculator, Jordan, just so we can get the answer there? 452, was it? 5. And that's it? So how much tax does she need to pay? She needs to pay $455 tax. And you should be able to, if you've done this right, you should know, well, that's about a third. That's about a third, 32.5%. And that looks like it's probably about a third of that. It's less than half, so that's good. All right, so what is her after-tax return? That means how much money is she actually going to make from this investment after she's paid tax? So we get her $1,400 and we subtract the 455. And so if we do that, it'll be $945. Okay, that's how much money she's actually going to make from the investment. So when you do a question like this, sometimes they'll tell you what her marginal rate is and you don't have to work that out yourself. Sometimes you'll need to look at a table to work it out. We'll give you the table in a test if you need it. And then usually it's just step by step following through.